Hello and welcome to SciStarter. Today I'm going to show you some of the great features that we have on the site. So the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure that you sign up for a SciStarter account. You can do this right in the upper right hand corner. You'll need to include an email, username, password, as well as your postal code. At the bottom, make sure you sign up for our newsletter where every other week we'll send you awesome new citizen science projects for you to get involved in, and then you'll need to agree to the SciStarter terms of use. If you already have a SciStarter account, you can log in through the top. Great, now we're logged into SciStarter. So you can use any of the basic features of the site right away. The first feature I'm going to show you is the Project Finder. You see the Project Finder right on the home screen. If you want to go ahead and get started there, you can think about where you might be and where you might like to do some different citizen science. You can even select a topic if there's something particular that you're interested in. Great, now we see all the awesome projects that we can do all about birds in California. Now, if there's projects here that you're interested in maybe coming back to later, you can go ahead and easily just bookmark them right from this screen. Or if you see something you'd like to learn more about, you can go ahead and view the project page. On the project page, you'll see information about the project, including the goal and the task, and the description, as well as any extra information you might want to know, including special skills or even equipment that you might need for the project. On some projects, you'll see this button that says Request to Join. This is a project that uses the SciStarter management system to manage all of their volunteers. If you're interested in one of these projects, just click Request to Join. Once you click that button, the project manager will be notified of your interest and they will let you know what the next steps are. You may even receive an email from them right away. Now let's go check out our dashboard. You can view the dashboard under My Account at the top. Great, so now we see some of the projects that we might be interested in. You can see this is the project that I already requested to join. It's now included on my SciStarter dashboard. If I ever decide I'm no longer participating in that project, I can always remove that project from my dashboard, or if I want to learn more, I can view the project or go right to the project's website. On the right-hand side, you'll see different bookmarked projects. So this is the project that I bookmarked earlier. I have yet to bookmark any events. And then here, we see some different recommendations. If you want to get really personalized recommendations, your best step is to fill out all of your settings. Let's go do that now. Great. So here's the settings page. And this is the information that you can optionally provide to us to provide better recommendations for projects that you can do in your area. You can also personalize your profile by including your first and last name, your birthday, your gender, and again, your zip code, and a profile image. If you're an educator, go ahead and click this box because it allows you to leave educator-specific ratings on project pages. You can also include a short bio about yourself to let people know what you'd like to do with citizen science and what types of projects you're interested in. Here's where you can select if you'd like to have a public or private profile. If you select private profile, remember that nobody will be able to see any of your information and you will not get to know other citizen scientists. If you have a public profile, you can have either your username or your full name displayed, and then you can also optionally select which portions of your profile you'd like to have displayed. Down here, you'll see information about tracking your contributions. This is an opportunity to have automated and tallying of contributions across different citizen science projects. Make sure you keep this checked to have the most robust record of all your citizen science activities. Now let's go ahead and make sure we have the best recommendations possible by updating our places. At the bottom here, I can include new places that I like to do citizen science. For example, maybe I live in Los Angeles, California. I can search for Los Angeles, view the area, make sure it's the right one, and go ahead and add that. Maybe I also want to include places where I like to go for vacation. Great. So I can also include all of Florida as a place. I can save my places, and then I can head back to my settings. Next, I can update my interests. Here's where you can provide personalized information about things that you like to do to get better recommendations. So if you enjoy projects about insects and pollinators, projects about sound, birds, you can also note when you like to do citizen science. If you have any skills, including any special skills, and what different tools you have so that we can recommend projects that use those tools already. Make sure you save that information and head back to your settings. Now you can check out your profile. So right now, I don't have a lot of information on my profile because I haven't yet put in a picture and a bio. But here you can see the project that I've clicked to join and any other information. Now remember, this is what you can optionally make private if you would like. When you're viewing projects on SciStarter, you might notice that some of them have this small logo next to it. When you view the full project page, you'll see that it's listed as a SciStarter affiliate. This means that your contributions to this project are tracked and credited in your SciStarter dashboard. So what exactly does that mean? Let's go join the project and find out. Great, I've now joined stall catchers. When I'm participating in the project, I'll see all the way at the bottom this indication notifying that I'm a SciStarter participant and that my contributions are tracked on my SciStarter dashboard. This is the benefit of being an affiliate project and participating in affiliate projects. So let's go back and check out my dashboard. Great, so now you can see I have two projects on my dashboard, the White Throat Song project that I requested to join earlier and the Eyes on ALZ project. If I go to my profile as well, I can see more information that I participated in the project on May 24th, 2017.